American goldfinch males are no longer gold. They look dull olive now, just like the females when they're wearing their dull winter plumage. So don't expect to see any brightly colored yellow goldfinches at your bird feeders this winter. They'll all look just like this one. One of their favorite foods in the fall now are some of the wild sunflower seeds, and this goldfinch is eating some seeds off of a sawtooth sunflower right there that you can see that are getting ripe. Sunflower seeds are one of their favorite foods at bird feeders in the wintertime, but maybe their favorite would be some Niger thistle seed. But look for goldfinches to start showing up at your bird feeders once they get all of these wild sunflower seeds eaten. These chickweed geometer moths aren't very big, but they sure are beautiful with those kind of golden yellow and pink colors that you see right there. That pink banding and the pink spots on their wings is pretty distinctive for this species right here. The chickweed geometer lays its eggs on chickweed plants, and that's what the caterpillars eat, hence the name chickweed geometer. By the way, people can eat those chickweed leaves too, especially in the early spring when they're first popping out of the ground. They're tender and succulent then, and you can eat them raw right in with like a lettuce salad. So they're pretty tasty. By the way, the caterpillars of the chickweed geometer are what we'd commonly call an inchworm, because they kind of scrunch up, when they crawl around, and they kind of appear to be measuring their surroundings, or maybe measuring the earth, hence the name geometer in their name right there. Believe it or not, but you can actually eat this aborted Entoloma mushroom. It started out as a kind of a normal gray looking mushroom. The regular Entoloma abortivum mushroom is, but they get attacked by honey mushrooms in the genus Armillaria, and that transforms them into that kind of weird white jelly-like mass there. You can just pick those right off of the forest floor, take them home, and boil them up. In fact, they're often called shrimp of the woods, and quite tasty to eat. So make sure you're only eating the white jelly-like mass. Do not pick the regular gray Entoloma abortivum mushrooms, because there are some toxic Entoloma species that would look very similar. So make sure that you're just picking a little white form right here.